TaylorBlair story time.
You read me a story, Mommy?
Okay, kids, the book that we are reading today is My Truck Book. Do you guys know what kind of truck is on the cover of this book?
Yes.
Fire truck.
Very good. Do you know someone else who rides on a fire truck?
She ride on a fire truck.
Good job, TaylorBlair. And what does Marshall do?
Why she put out fires?
Very good. Well, now let's read about some other trucks in My Truck Book. Before we start, can you guys tell us the color of the fire truck?
Yes.
And what letter does red begin with?
The letter R.
My Truck Book by Mabel Watts and illustrated by George Wilde. The dump truck is handy. Out of that, there's no doubt. Taking loads where they're going, then dumping them out. Come ride in my stack truck. It's quite safe and sound, with the gate at the back and the fence all around. The men on the fire truck we're bound to admire, always ready and waiting to put out a fire.
Oh!
With ladders and pliers and strong wires and all, the telephone truck comes to answer your call. With 2 cars on top and 2 tucked below, this long auto trailer is bound westward. Go. If you lived in a trailer, you'd travel till dark, then you'd pull up to sleep in a green little park. The logging truck groans as it climbs up the hill, bringing logs from the forest to cut at the mill. Here comes the bookmobile out from the town with our friend the librarian, Little Miss Brown. Streets, just like houses, must get a good shine, so the sprinkling truck washes yours down, and then mine. When something is wrong and your car will not go, just phone for the wrecker to give it a tug. With its boxes of bottles that rattle along, the soda pop truck sings its own little song. Here's the delivery truck. What does it haul? Round things and square things, big things and small. A bag of money must be sent to Mr. Banker Benny, so send it there by armored trucks, which will not lose a penny. The end. TaylorBlair, tell the kids what color truck did Marshall rides and what does Marshall do?
Okay, Mommy. Why she put out fires?
TaylorBlair, what color is the fire truck?
Red.
What letter does red start with?
The letter R.
Great job, kids. Now let's look at some cool things that are red or that starts with the letter R, like the color red. Enjoy.
Oh!
Let's see what's yummy to eat that is also the color red.
Strawberries.
Red.
Okay, let's see what's next.
Apples.
And apples are.
Red.
What is our next red fruit, kids?
Cherries.
What color are they, kids?
Red.
And one more red fruit before we go.
Pomegranate.
Yes, and it is the color
Red.
Great job on the red fruits, kids. Let's move on to something that's a little more fun. Kids, can you guess who is one of our most favorite red, furry little happy monsters who we all love and adore?
Elmo.
Elmo's full of wonder, wonder, one will discover in Elmo's wonderful world.
That's right, kids. And you know Elmo is on the list because he is the color
Red.
Let's look at some more awesome people. Who is the color red?
Superheroes.
You guessed it, Superman. And Superman is also the color
Red.
Now let's see what red female superheroes we have. That's right, no other than Wonder Woman, and she too is also the color
Red.
Do you kids think that there are more red superheroes? Let's find out.
Spider-Man, Spider-Man, does whatever a spider can. Spins a web any size, catches thieves just like flies. Look out, here comes the Spider-Man.
Great job, kids. I hope you all enjoyed TaylorBlair's story time today. I hope you all also enjoyed learning about the color red, which begins with the letter R. See you ladies and gentlemen soon.
Taylor.